Let's go to Stan in Nocatee. Hey, Stan.
Good morning, Joe. How are you?
Great, and you?
I am doing well so far.
I think, Nocatee is why I wanted to have an office in Jacksonville area. Because you used to come up there and we'd take the exit off of 95. It goes right through Nocatee. And then I learned this is the fifth fastest growing community in Florida. And I said, hey, I need to be on the ground floor of this growing community here because it's just pretty cool. So that's what we've done. Pretty much had a lot of clients come in from Nocatee. But thank you for calling.
Yes, it's spreading like wildfire out here. My question this morning is we came in and saw you, and we got all set up with trusts and wills and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
And I've been in Florida for about 3 years, and prior to that I was in Ohio, and I always had an umbrella policy on my insurance.
Right.
And up there, umbrella policies are rather dirt cheap. They're, $100 and change for a $2 million umbrella. Well, down here, a $2 million umbrella policy is probably $800, and
yeah, $600 to $800 is pretty much a range, I think.
It's pretty crazy down here. And what I really want to know is does having my accounts and everything set up in this trust give me any protection, whereas maybe I don't need that umbrella policy?
Well, I think you still need the umbrella policy. The living trust, the benefits of the living trust like you have are that it avoids probate, it avoids guardianship, it's quick, easy, fast to administer upon death, saves your beneficiaries lots of money and lots of time, takes care of you if you become incapacitated before death, and it's a private document. If you ask me, could you do a trust that gave you asset protection, the answer would be yes, but that would be an irrevocable trust. And most clients don't want to do that because then they lose control of being able to do anything they want to with their own assets.
Okay.
Now, there are some assets in your trust that creditors cannot get to, like your homestead is protected. Some other assets that you have that are protected are insurance and annuity and retirement accounts in the state of Florida.
Mm-hmm.
So it's probably a lot that you have that creditors can't get to, but your checking, savings, investment accounts and in trusts are not asset protected. But the purpose you did the trust was to avoid probate, avoid guardianship, and so forth.
Okay. Well, just had a senior moment and forgot what I was going to say. So, why are trusts or not trusts, but umbrella policies so high in Florida? It's and normally it's a no-brainer. It's dirt cheap insurance, but down here it's rather very, very expensive insurance.
Yeah. Well, most people, I would say $100. I would think of it that $100 was extremely cheap, and I don't know why it was so inexpensive where you came from. But in Florida, I'm just used to it to being, $500 to $800 somewhere in there, and I don't know. My thought is that's pretty reasonable for the great benefit you get. You have $1 million or $2 million protection over top of your normal car and home insurance for asset protection. And to me, it's worth it just for the peace of mind. I've never even thought about it being real expensive because I didn't consider that being expensive. But and I'm not quite sure, what kind of your other rates and things are in the other state as well. So I don't know. But Stan, thank you for calling. I hope that helps you.
Okay, yes, it did. Thank you.
All right, thank you. All right.